liners, hardware. Easiest unboxing. All right, so these are, you can kind of see more of a felt, that like fabric, as opposed to some of these I've seen that are more of a plastic or rubbery. This is more similar to like the OEM type style. Granted, it's much newer, so it looks a lot more black than my front wheel liners, but since they were rolled up into this box, hopefully they don't need too much reshaping.
You get dealt the hand, now to play the cards. Gotta learn the system, try to play the odds. We embrace support, stay away from frauds. Put our hands together, look up and pray to God that we make it to the finish line and reach our goals. Many out here preaching freedom, but teach control. Surrounded by chaos, but we looking for order. As a youth, didn't search, now my time's getting shorter. I'm looking for answers now, in many different areas. I'm pressed for time, wanna bypass barriers. Hoping to skip from step A to step Z. Progress is linear, go to step B for a sturdy foundation. I know it sounds ancient, teach a man a fish still has application. No basic, listen, embrace the wisdom that's passed on. Don't erase that system. We take what we're given, then we settle in. Don't change how we're living, how unsettling. Same old position, need a new frontier. Make a transition, let's move on from here. There's a way to make things better. I know that there's a way to make things right. Been pointing fingers here and there forever. Time to look inside. Yeah.
With this one, I opted to have them send me out basically their full offering as far as the internal panels for the bed. So you can see it extends the length of the bed there. They do offer, though, a variation where you can just get the front panels. And I think you can also get just the front and the rear without this kind of center section. Could be wrong, I'll double check, make the edit in the video, but I got the full setup here so you can see their full offering as far as the internal panels and what that will look like. I do like that they're including, in addition to the hardware, they do include some Velcro and straps. I just thought that was a nice little touch. All right, so there's two sets of directions. One if you have the charging box, storage box, easily identifiable right here. No storage box. I do not, so I will be using without the charging box storage box. So step one, connecting this little panel here, which basically covers that charging box storage box that was mentioned. All right, so to put on this panel, you can see I put it over the top, the bigger section there, but the bolts I ran through the backside, so you can see it came up. I got the metal washer and the rubber washer coming up through here. Once you kind of lay this on top, it becomes pretty apparent that in order for these to even hold in place, you would have to do it this way, because these holes like here on this section, these aren't threaded, but right up here on these ones specifically, they are. That's basically the only way you'll get it to hold in place, is if you set it up this way. I mean, I guess you could try to put it on the back side. I don't know if that's going to work out though, because then you'll have an uneven surface with this bigger section panel. With this, you can see it's kind of protruding up a little bit, so it's hard to tell from the picture, but that's what I'm running with. I think that's the best way to move forward there. Some of the other directions illustrate like a zoomed in image, like you can see here, but you don't have it on this one, so hopefully my common sense is sensible on this one. I guess we'll find out soon enough. A lot of times it's not as right as I would think. And it says remove the original screws at the red position, which is basically down here in the kind of the front near the tailgate, this little tie down. There's a couple screws there. So these are the screws that are coming out on this step. Step 3, align the MOLLE panels with the body panel holes and fix them to the screws.
Yeah. In search of an answer, I'm trying to find one. Hold up, is the question even the right one? Cause I heard that it was, but now I'm trying to compute how I took it as gospel and started following suit. But in reality, there's so much nonsense. Many hate it when you question the process. Get shallow answers for deep questions. Turn progression into regression. Refreshing the process. is needed at times. Even in the past when it succeeded at times, my mistakes get repeated at times. Sometimes bad habits go untreated at times, but no ill intent, trying to pay the bill for rent and anticipate what the future will present. Don't get me wrong, not saying everything's broken, but evaluate, don't just let it soak in. For answers in life, wanna live my question.
So I was not able to keep this on because the length of the bolt wouldn't go through this piece, that bracket, and this bracket all together. It just was too short, wouldn't allow me to thread into the hole, so I opted to go away from this in order to keep obviously the tonneau cover bracket and then apply this. This is primarily for tie downs anyway. I still have some places to obviously attach things. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Now just gonna repeat on the other sides, and then the rear brackets back here. And then lastly, step 4, fix the middle MOLLE panel. I did have to remove this screw on the bottom here, which was pressing up against this little rubber base on the inside liner here, but it seems like it's providing enough tension here where it's not causing the track to be out of alignment. Still opening and closing regularly, so that's good. But yeah, got it done on both sides. That side. That side. These up here are a pain, so if you have electric ratchet, that helps. However, my setup's a bit unique in the sense that I know not everybody has the power tonneau cover that's going to get in the way, but if you do have this situation, I was able to loosen using the power ratchet, this guy here, but I ended up having to just hand crank it the rest of the way out to get it out.